How to use the Jafron HA330 or HA380 adsorption column with the Prismaflex Haemofiltration Machine. Before starting the procedure, line the Prismaflex system and prime, following the manufacturer's instructions. When priming is finished, press pause. Part 1. Priming the Jafron column. The following accessories are required to prime the Jafron column: 1 DLS 505 set and 1 DLS 198 extension line, 1 double filter holder and 1 blue hammer, 2 plastic scissor clamps. Open the DLS 505 set and attach the waste bag. Remove the spike from the other end. Open the DLS 198 and attach to the DLS 505. Reconnect the spike to the end of the extension priming line. Prepare 1 litre of 0.9% saline solution with 25,000 international units of heparin. Attach the extended priming line to the heparinized saline bag and briefly purge air into the waste bag. Close the 2 white clamps. Attach the double filter holder to the Haemofilter on the machine. Then attach the Jafron column to the empty filter holder in the upright position, ensuring the blood flow arrow is pointing upwards. Invert the Jafron column so the blood flow arrow is pointing downwards. Using the plastic spanner provided, remove the cap from the Jafron column by twisting it anti-clockwise. Now detach the transparent connector of the DLS 505 coming from the heparinized saline bag. Connect the dark blue connector to the Jafron column. Replace the Jafron column in the upright position with the blood flow arrow pointing upwards. Disconnect the transparent connector from the DLS 505 and discard. Open the Jafron column cap with the spanner and connect the remaining parts of the DLS 505 set that leads to the waste bag. Open the 2 white clamps to begin priming the Jafron column. Using the blue hammer, tap the column housing to expel air. When the heparinized saline bag is empty, replace it with a 1 litre 0.9% saline solution. Continue priming until the second bag is almost empty. Close the 2 white clamps to prevent air entering the lines. Part 2. Connecting the Jafron column to the machine. Clamp each side of the connection point immediately post Haemofilter in the Prismaflex tubing line that leads to the deaeration chamber. Invert the Jafron column in the double column holder so the arrow points downwards. Disconnect the line coming from the Haemofilter to the deaeration chamber. Disconnect the DLS 505 line from the extension line connected to the saline bag. Then connect the DLS 505 line to the tubing line coming from the Haemofilter. Rotate the Jafron column in the double filter holder so the arrow points upwards. Disconnect the DLS 505 line from the waste bag. Connect the remaining DLS 505 line to the line leading to the deaeration chamber. Open all clamps. The Jafron column is now connected. Part 3. Treatment and removal. Proceed with the Prismaflex treatment operation. When the treatment is completed, terminate the treatment as directed by the Prismaflex instructions for use. Discard the Jafron column. Remember to remove the double filter holder for cleaning and reuse. It should not be discarded with the line set. For more information about the Jafron column, go to www.linc-medical.co.uk. Thanks for watching.